Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 2 by using 2 is equal to 50 divided by 5. So now 50 divided 5 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication because both have equal priority. So we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So now 50, according to KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So keep this 50 as it is same, change this sign from division to multiplication, and flip this fraction. 5 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Multiply 2. Now cancel this 50 by using 5, so it is 10. So now the expression is become 10 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20 multiply 2. Now 20 multiplied 2 is equal to 40. So the correct answer is 40. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.